we are just doing camps frequently. So identify what are children who are having heart disease, so cure them earlier, so that we have a process so that we can identify them early.
Hani kasngi ka arphoar tarik uyayong arhajar arphoar lawan ka kanhun ki doktor na ka Apollo Group Chennai ban ai jingpenshai halor ka jing ai Jingsumar ya ki Khyllung Khynnah ki badon jingpang hau Klongsnam. Habakran shikila pathai khubor na kalyang uwe na kini ki doktor ulayat ho balengba ka jinglam khmat ka Apollo Group na Chennai rengkat ka jinga trelang ka Sorkar Jilla bat Assam bat ka National Health Mission kin persangkat bala ban ai Jingsumar ya ki Khyllung Khynnah ki badon jingpang hau Klongsnam shu ulayat ho bakin penlong ya ka screening camp man ubanai khnang ban yo jingtip ka nungut ki badon kam ban yo Jingsumar bat ye ki ba kham dan kam sha sumar kin pentre kam ki scheme Sorkar khnang ban yarab ki hakabai let by one bat ka bai bam bat jakasa ye ki ba khamjur bat kham dan kam ka Jingsumar ba kham he kin rasha Chennai kat bai ki weipat kin sumar ha Guwahati.
So, good morning. I'm from Dr. Muthukumaran. I'm a pediatric cardiologist from Chennai, Apollo Children's Hospital. This is an initiative from the Apollo Group, Apollo Guwahati and Chennai joined together with the government of Meghalaya and also the National Health Mission to bring the pediatric cardiac services to Meghalaya state. So here what we're going to do is going to screen the children who have a heart disease by having a camp every month or so, and then identify them and then offer them free treatment under the government scheme and also the NGOs we have. And if they have simple lesions, they'll be done in Guwahati. If they have complex lesions, they'll be taken to Chennai. The government will support us by transporting the children to either Guwahati or Chennai. We'll take care of the stay and food in Chennai or Guwahati and send them back. The mission is to help them free of cost, doing this world-class interventions. Some cases can be done without surgery, without opening the heart. We can fix the heart problem with like going to groin, like angiogram method, putting a small plug or opening the valve by an angio method. And by open heart surgery, we cure the complex heart surgery also. So once we identify, we segregate into two groups. Most of the children can be done in Guwahati, and complex surgeries can be taken to Chennai. And that's the plan. And we'll come every month for a free camp with the government, not only in Shillong, in other areas in Meghalaya also, so that we can cover all these patients who have a heart disease. We love to develop, as I told you, in stages to develop a center in Guwahati so that they can do everything in Guwahati. And then to develop a center in Meghalaya in the government sector also. So it's a continuous process. I don't think it's going to end. I think we're going to be associated with Meghalaya government for a long time.